Hey everybody, we went for a road trip yesterday and ended up at a gun store. I bought a Kriss Vector 22 long rifle. It's the Duotone version with a folding stock. There are several available here in Canada, but that's the one I settled on. Took me a while to make a decision on that because it's not a very cheap gun. But after looking at it at the gun store, it looks to be very good quality. I don't know what it shoots like yet, and we're not going to shoot it in this video because it is cold and miserable outside. But it's in the box behind me against the walls. We'll pull it out, see what's included, and go over the features of it. And more importantly, we'll see what you think. Okay, let's slide it out of the box here. See if I can get a hold of the box while pulling on the case. I was surprised it actually came in a case. Let's get rid of the box here. Albeit it's not the greatest case in the world. There you go. It just comes with one magazine, 10 rounds, and it comes with obviously a cable lock and the instruction manual. Again, like I said, I had this out at the store to look at it. So all of this was put back basically the same way it was packaged though. It's a tight fit in that case. The flip-up sights obviously need to be down in order to fit it in the case. Anyway, let's take the gun, put it on the bench, and go over some of the features. See what you think. Okay, so here we have it on the bench. We'll start from stem to stern. It is marked Kriss Vector on the side of the barrel shroud. This is all metal, as you can tell. It is fully encapsulated, the barrel is. I'm not quite sure how that shroud comes off for cleaning if you need to. Moving back to the receiver, this is all polymer here and here, but inside, like this Picatinny rail and this is all metal. So that is a good mounting system for your optics. The Picatinny rail underneath here, that is metal as well. This foregrip is removable, and Kriss offers fore-end accessory rails that mount in here. I'm not quite sure. I haven't looked at them a lot yet, but from my understanding is the same ones on the 9mm versions work as the same as the 22, so they will fit. On the left side of the gun, charge handle is here. I do have the bolt locked open now, so there's not much resistance there. This is the bolt catch. So this is the bolt release in the front and the bolt catch in the back. So if I hit the bolt, like I said, the bolt is locked to the rear right now. So if I hit the bolt release, you'll hear it go forward. What I do like is that you can actually, when you move the bolt to the rear, you are capable of locking that with one hand just by using that bolt catch right here. So again, put the bolt to the rear, hit your bolt catch, and you can do all that one-handed. Very nice. Magazines that come with the gun are 10-round magazines, and my understanding is they're planning on coming out with 30-round mags, which will be available in Canada. They should be, because this is a rifle, so a 22 rifle is not limited. It's not like the Ruger version, which they ended up coming out with a pistol 1022, which made all the 30-round mags or 25-round mags prohibited in Canada. Unfortunate. So hopefully that doesn't happen with this. The magazine release is right here. Some people complain that while they're holding the gun they hit it by accident. I haven't had that experience yet, but albeit I've just handled the gun very minimally to this point. The safety is ambidextrous. It's about a, I'm going to say a 45-degree throw. I do like the fact that I can turn the safety off with my thumb on one side and then put it back on with my index finger on the other. That's the kind of the way I shoot. I like that. The iron sights, if we can call them that, they are plastic. They do flip down and they hold in place very nicely. I have heard people say that they were Magpul, and they may very well be, but they are marked Kriss right here. So I guess maybe Magpul makes them for Kriss. I'm not quite sure. The Picatinny rail on top is metal. This part of the gun is metal as well. Rear sight, that's also polymer. The folding stock is all metal. I should say the outside here is plastic, but the frame of it is metal and very, very solid. Locks into place very nicely. And it's also adjustable. I'll move the gun out here so you can see. There's a little tab right here inside of the stock, which moves that and catches into some holes recessed into the bottom. Again, this is all metal, so it's a very positive locking mechanism in there. So once you fold the stock out of the way, it's pretty solid. Open it up, it locks into place, and then you can extend it very quickly to the setting that you'd like. On the right-hand side of the gun, there's not really much going on aside from the ejection port. I'll try to lock that open for you so you can see in there. So the barrel is mounted quite low in the gun. You can actually see right through the housing of the receiver. Not quite sure why that is. Once I start shooting the gun, we'll have a better look at that. I'm not quite sure what kind of an optic I'm going to put on it. I may try, I have a Holosun 510, I believe the number is, on a Ruger PC carbine that I'm running right now. I might take that and mount it on this temporarily to see how it shoots, and then it'll give me a better idea of what kind of optic I might want to put on this thing. So there you have it, folks. There's a quick look at the Kriss Vector Duotone folding stock 22 long rifle. If you have any questions about the gun, by all means, put them in the comments. I will answer whatever I can. And if you like the video, please share it. Hit the thumbs up. And I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe. That would be awesome. Thanks so much, folks, and take care out there.